Hey, what up? Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Okay, so today we're going to be doing another phonics lesson, and the focus of our sound for today would be ear, air, your, and So I hope you guys are lock and load, ready to begin our lesson for today. Okay. So as usual, before we proceed, I'd like to highlight a few of our learning objectives for today's lesson. Number 1, you should be able to listen to and sound at least 10 out of 12 words correctly. And number 2, you should be able to read and write at least 8 words correctly by the end of this lesson. So just an overview of the sounds that we are going to be looking at today. Number 1, we'll be looking at the sound of ear. We're gonna have a few words, example of words, so don't worry. And then number 2, the second sound would be air. Number 3 would be the sound of your. And number 4, the last sound would be Okay, for the first sound, which is ear, first I'm gonna show you some examples of how to sound the sound ear, of how to say out the sound ear. Okay, so let's check out the video first.
Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the trigraph ear, when the letters E, A and R come together to make the sound ear. Let's sound out some words. And don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. Ear, here. Let's try that again. Ear, here. Well done. Ready for another word? Ear, beard. Let's try one more time. Beard. Beard. Well done. Let's have a look at another word. Ear. Fear. Let's have another go. Ear. Fear. Well done.
Alright, so there you have it, the sound of ear. Okay, so example of the words that contain the sound of ear that you have watched in the video just now would be number 1, here. H-E-A-R. But the focus of our sound today would be ear. Ear. Okay. Second example given was ear. Ear, beard. The third example given was fear. Ear. Okay, now onto the second sound, which is air. Okay, just to give you a clear example of how to sound the sound of air, let's watch another video.
Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the sound air, when the letters A, I and R come together to make the sound air. This sound is a trigraph because it has 3 letters and makes one sound. Let's look at some words that use this sound. Air, hair. Let's try again. Air, hair. Well done. Let's have a look at another word. Air, pear. Let's have another go. Air, pear. Well done. Let's take a look at the next word. Air, chair. Let's try again. Ch, air, chair. That word had a digraph and a trigraph in it.
That was the examples. I hope you enjoyed that. Okay, now the example of the words that contain the sound air given in the video just now would be hair. H-A-I-R. The focus of our sound would be air. 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 The second example given was, remember, air. 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 Okay. The third example given was an object, a noun. Ch. Air. Ch. Air. Ch. Air. Okay. Hair is like your hair, you know, your messy hair when you woke up in the morning. Hair. Hair. Pair is like a pair of something. For example, given just now was a sock, I think, in the video. So if you have a pair of socks, meaning you have like two socks combined, so you get a pair of socks. Chair, of course, would be like something that you sit on, you know. A chair. Okay, now onto the next sound, which is your. Okay, let's check out the video first so that you understand better.
Hello and welcome to Little Learners. Today we're going to be looking at the sound your, when U, R and E come together to make the sound your. This sound is a trigraph, 3 letters, 1 sound. Let's try to sound out some words that use the your sound. P, your, pure. Let's try again. P, your, pure. Well done. Let's move on to the next word. K, your, cure. Let's try again. K, your, cure. Well done. Let's move on to another word. S, e, k, your, secure. Let's try again. S, e, k, your, secure. Well done.
Okay, now the example of the sound, the words given was pure, right? Your. 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 Pure. Second was k. Your. K. Your. K. Your. Cure. And the last one, I think it was secure. Secure. S. E. K. You. Secure. So what is pure? Pure is like something so pure, something so clean. Like for example, your drink, your mineral water, or the drink from your water filter. For example, Koei, Kuku, something. That drink is pure. For example, a pure water. Okay. Number 2, cure. Cure is like something that you give to treat something. For example, vaccine maybe. Let me draw you a vaccine. Wait. Vaccine for COVID-19. Vaccine. Vaccine is a cure for COVID-19. Secure is like, something that is safe, something that is secure, that you cannot really break into. Maybe for example, a key padlock. A key is used to secure your gate or your door, you know, secure. All right, now the last sound for today would be Okay, so let's check out the video first.
Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the digraph E and R together make the sound 2 letters, 1 sound. Let's have a look at some words that have the digraph in them. Her. Let's try again. Her. Well done. Let's look at the next word. Mixer. Let's try again. Mixer. Well done. Time for the next word. Tower. 2 digraphs this time. Tower. Well done.
And that was the example of the words with the sound Okay, so number 1 example given in the video was her. Simple. Number 2 was like mixer, I think. Mixer. Mixer. And number 3 would be tower. 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 So what is her? Her is like pronoun for a girl. See here, a girl. The little girl. Hello. Mixer is like a machine that you use to make something for baking, you know, when you're cooking, when you're baking a cake or cookies or something, you use a mixer to mix your ingredients together. For example, like I think they have already given you the picture for this, but just to make it better for you, so here's a mixer. And last one would be a tower, like KLCC. Yes, KLCC will be a tower, building that is super tall, that is really tall. So that's what you call a tower. KLCC, I guess. A tower. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoy that, and most importantly, I hope you understand it. Don't forget to practice to say out the sounds, the 4 sounds that I've given you today. Practice. It will help you to understand and to say out the words better. Okay, so that is it. I'll see you again in the next lesson. Take care, stay safe, be safe, and peace out. Yeah.